And Rafael Soriano.
Well, he has really solidified this bullpen. 45 saves out of 48 opportunities. 27 saves last year for the Braves as he was coming into his own, but he's found his place here.
Now Jeff Francoeur, bad hop to third. Longoria knocks it down, stays with it, but throws in time for the first out of the ninth inning. On the ground, tap back to Soriano, who fields and throws. 2 down in the ninth. Who has 2 hits and 4 at bats. Pops one up, foul ground, sending Pena into foul ground. Has room and makes the catch that ends the ninth.